When solving for x and looking at the equation, we first want to look at the side where the variable is. So here, 12x means 12 times x. What we want to have here is 1 times x. So in order to get rid of the 12, we need to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides by 12. This leaves us with x is equal to 3/12. This is correct, but it could be simplified because 3 is a factor of both 3 and 12, giving us 1/4 as an answer. Trying to solve for n, let's read the equation. N divided by 8 equals 4. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. So we want to multiply both sides by 8. And again, the reason why we're doing this is we're trying to get one side of the equation to be 1 times n. So the 8's would reduce down to 1, and we would be left with n is equal to 4 times 8, or 32. For this equation, we're solving for x, and if we read it, it reads x divided by 9 equals 5/3. So the first thing we're going to do is the opposite, or the inverse operation of division, which is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 9. And when we do this, we're going to end up with 9 over 9 becomes 1. So I have 1x, which is what I was trying to get to. And 5/3 times 9 would be the same as 45/3, which is equivalent to 15. So x equals 15 would be our final answer. Another way to approach this problem, because it's actually a proportion where you have one ratio set equal to another, we could cross multiply. So for cross multiplication, we would be looking at the x times 3, or 3x, and the 9 times 5, or 45. And then we would still have to solve this equation by dividing both sides by 3, because it reads as 3 times x. So once we divide both sides by 3, we're left with 1x is equal to 15. So that's just another method when we have one that is a proportion. Thanks for watching.